Hi, it's Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful and fabulous Cleveland, Ohio. I am so excited to be your opening keynote on February 19th at 8 o'clock a.m. at PCI's Powder Coating Technical Conference. It's going to be at the Renaissance in Orlando, Florida, and we'll be talking about manufacturing engagement. How do you keep your talent from becoming theirs? Because face it, you spend so much time, money, and effort to find the perfect employees to come on board at your company, and then what happens? They go down the street to a competitor for another 50 cents an hour. How do you prevent that from happening? Well, that's what we're going to cover and give you some strategies and some ideas that you can implement immediately. And the best part, it's not going to cost nearly as much time, effort, or money as you may believe it will. So be there February 19th in Orlando at PCI's Powder Coating Technical Conference, and I will see you in Orlando. See you there.